home now. I'm 6 seconds from the edge of crying. Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are having a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day. Today's video is sponsored by Bright Sellers. I'll be telling you guys about them a little later on in the video. But for now, let's go ahead and get into this video I didn't plan to film today. So what happened was I had filmed an entire Stitch Fix unboxing for you guys. It was the first time I have ever tried Stitch Fix. I still have like all this stuff sitting right here. So I filmed the whole thing, just the whole shebang. I unboxed it, I tried everything on, told you guys what I was gonna keep, told you what I wasn't gonna keep, if I thought the whole thing was worth it. And today when I went to get that video like up for you guys, it was gone. The footage was missing. I still had like little portions of it, but like the rest of it was gone. So instead of crying, which I was on the brink, right on the edge, home now, I'm 6 seconds from the edge of crying, I didn't. And instead I thought I would sit down really quickly and film just a quick little unboxing for you guys. So what we have today is technically a box that we have done before, but it's under like a whole new name. So today, my glasses are very dirty. Let me clean them really fast. What we have is Box, which we had done an unboxing of this box a few times on the channel before, but underneath this very scratched up sticker, I'm thinking that it says something different because there's like a little thing that says peel here. So I'm guessing if we peel this back, we will reveal the new name of Box, which is, it'll be slightly embarrassing if there isn't a different name. Yes, there is. Okay. Oh, it's a tough sticker. Alltrue. So instead of it being called Box, it is now called Alltrue, but I'm assuming it's like basically the same thing. So this box is $49.99 a season. Inside you're supposed to get at least $250 worth of products, and they're all supposed to be like socially conscious products. This video is not sponsored by Alltrue, it's sponsored by Bright Sellers. Again, we'll get there in a second. But I just wanted to go through this box with you guys. I actually do really like Box. If you guys want to be let in on a little insider information, I've been getting it in secret for months now. I never canceled this box, I just kept getting it for myself to unbox like on the DL. I like mail. I like getting things in the mail, and it was fun to have something like for myself that I didn't have to worry about unboxing. But today we are going to unbox it together, so let's go ahead and slice on into it. Still a little angry about all my footage being missing, so I'm gonna be extra cautious with the knife today. Okay, wow, that is a large stack of papers here. So we have the Introducing Alltrue pamphlet, we have the cute little postcard that comes with all of the boxes, and then we also have the guide to everything inside of this box. This is the summer 2021 box, and I'm excited to see what items we have inside. Oh, there is another piece of paper, something in here. This is like a large magazine that comes with it. This apparently is a seasonal guide for conscious living, all good things. Build an at-home apothecary, discover natural wine, grow your own mushrooms, and more. Oh, well, that's kind of fun. Ooh, okay, so the very first thing in here is actually something I really need, so that's exciting. The first thing I have in here is a bamboozle, which is just a really fun word. I like to say it quite often. 5-piece nesting bowl set. This looks really, really cute. Oh, bamboozle, because they're made out of bamboo. That's clever. These look super adorable. I love the colors of them. There are 5 pieces to them. We have like a blue, a green, yellow, kind of like an orangey color, and then a cream color here in the center. These are made of approximately 70% bamboo fiber, 15% cornstarch, and 15% resin. They are dishwasher safe, which is incredibly important because I hate washing dishes. If you could see my countertops right now, it looks like a tabletop after a family of 15 just left the buffet. Like, there's so much stuff on my countertops right now. That's on the list for today of things to do. But these are just super adorable though. I really like those, and I could definitely use some more bowls. So this is nice. We have the first product down, and before we move on into the next items, I would love to tell you guys about today's sponsor, Bright Sellers. I am so excited to be telling you guys today about Bright Sellers. Truly one of my favorite sponsors for the channel. I look forward to my Bright Sellers box every single month. It's really exciting to be paired with wines that you've never tried before, but that are specifically selected for you, so you know you're gonna like them. You get wines from all over the world that are specifically matched to you based on your palate. Bright Sellers offers hundreds of wines, and new wines are being added every single month, so you know you're gonna get something new and exciting to try. All you need to do is take a super easy and quick 7-question quiz to let them know your taste preferences, to get wine delivered to you that you know you're gonna love. It's super convenient because the wine is shipped straight to your door, so there's no like going to the store, browsing through the sections. And if you're anything like me, I buy things based on how pretty the label is. So sometimes I'll be like, oh, that's so pretty, and I'll buy it without knowing like if it even tastes good. I'm a sucker for packaging, always have been, always will be, but with Bright Cellars, you don't have to worry about that anymore because you're gonna get a wine that looks good and tastes even better. I also love the cute little wine education cards that come and match each bottle. It helps me trick my friends into thinking I'm like knowledgeable and cultured as I'm talking about things like the origins of the wine, the serving temperature, and suggested pairings. Today I'm trying the last room, which has flavors of plum, black raspberry, cherry, and baking spices. Ooh, that's good. Bright Cellars also has outstanding customer service and a delight guarantee, so if you don't absolutely love a bottle in your shipment, you can let them know and they will send you a replacement in your next shipment, which is pretty awesome. And right now Bright Cellars is giving my followers 60% off their first 4-bottle box. So if you'd like to check them out and help support the channel, please click the link down below in my description to take the quiz and get started. Alright, moving right along. Oh, we just got one of these, literally sitting right here in front of me. The next item in here is from Hanalei. This is the... Hello, focus please. Hello. I honestly can't tell if it's focused or not because my glasses are not the right prescription. Are you focused? This is the Hawaiian Lip Balm Trios. We have 3 little lip balms in here. They have SPF 15 in them. There is an Island Mint, Tropical Citrus, and Unscented. I feel like they could have come up with another kind of tropical scent to go with the theme, but you know, unscented. And these are vegan. And yeah, I have already tried one of these out in another video that I have done, and it feels like a nice little lip balm. So there we go. All right, next in here we have something from Brand with a Heart. It's very pretty bright pink packaging. This is the OMG Smooth Leave-In Conditioning Blend. It is supposed to be plant-based and you get 6 ounces of it. It says it is fortified with our M+ cocktail, I don't know what that means, of maquis berries for our signature blend of super fruits. Protein complexes, provides color and heat protection. I promise, I promise I can kind of read. It doesn't seem like I can, but a little bit I can. It is supposed to give you silky smooth, frizz-free, bodylicious, bouncy, full locks with amazing shine. You know, I could definitely try this out like on the lower sections of my hair. They do definitely get a little bit frizzy and damaged and dry. I chop them off all the time with a pair of bandage scissors that I found here at my grandma's house. No, the ones for like cutting off bandages. I'm sure that's a very appropriate tool for cutting hair, but I mean it works, it snips it off. I like that it's leave-in and you don't have to wash it out. I'm gonna give it a quick sniff really fast. Ooh, oh, that smells really, really good. I'm really hoping it like makes my hair stay smelling that way because the shampoos I currently use, they just don't smell good. Like the nice, fun, fruity shampoos at the store, they smell lovely. My boyfriend's head smells like a freaking fruit basket all the time, but my shampoo doesn't smell good. So maybe this will help my hair smell better. Okay, next up in here we have something from Cosmetics. This is the Skin Thirst. I'm very, very sorry for saying it like that. Moisturizing hyaluronic acid cream. I have recently started using a hyaluronic acid serum cream thingy. The one that I use is CeraVe. It's like 14 bucks on Amazon, and I think it has been making my skin a lot less dehydrated. But I have also been combining it with CeraVe moisturizer and the retinol. So this I'll probably go ahead and give away to somebody else because I am pretty happy with how that one is working out right now. I don't really want to switch it up too much. Oh, it says great for daytime use under makeup to help promote longer wear. So I guess you can kind of use it as like a moisturizing primer almost. Interesting. Okay. All right, the next thing we have in here is from Nye Tagalongs. This is 3 packing pods. Whatever a packing pod is, it's a nice color, kind of like a almost sagey type green. These are made out of water bottles. That's really cool. So apparently they take wasted materials, they say they crush it into chips, and then somehow turn it into yarn, which is just absolutely mind-blowing to me. That's very cool. This is made out of recycled materials. I wonder if this plastic bag it's in is also made out of recycled materials. That would be interesting to know. Oh, okay, cute. So they are just 3, it looks like different size little pretty much what they said. Packing pods. They're just like little bags. They are super, super lightweight, very thin. They don't really have too much structure to them or anything, so I wouldn't keep anything in here that, you know, needs to be protected. But if you just have some things that you need to throw into a bag, maybe for travel or something, you definitely could. So, you know, like socks and, you know, undergarments and clothes, different things like that would be fine in here just to keep them kind of organized. But I definitely wouldn't like slip a laptop into this bad boy and be like, I'm ready to go. All right, and I do think we have one tiny thing left here in the box. It comes in a quite dainty looking little silky pouch. I'm assuming it's jewelry. It sounds like jewelry. Oh, okay, so we just have a tiny little silver plated bracelet. This is from Etika, maybe Ettika, and it's just a very thin, dainty looking little silver plated bracelet. Right there, if you guys can see it, there's like a little tiny round thing with some type of gem or crystal or little fake diamondy thing right there in the center. It's very, very small, so it's a little bit hard to see. I personally don't wear too much silver jewelry. If I buy any jewelry for myself or pick out any type of jewelry, I typically go for gold or rose gold. My boyfriend was really sweet. For our 1-year anniversary, he got me this little tiny delicate like a golden A necklace, which probably looks very familiar to you guys, but it is a different necklace. What I was doing was going on Amazon and buying a $10 little heart necklace with an A on it, which was in no way, shape, or form gold at all, besides kind of resembling the color. And then every time that necklace turned like gross looking, which was pretty often and frequently because it was very cheap, I would buy a new one. But he was really sweet and went ahead and got me an actual gold necklace, which was very, very nice of him. Yes, I do typically like gold jewelry, so this silver one, I don't know, not exactly my style, but I'm gonna go ahead and try it on. Putting bracelets on yourself is nearly impossible. My chin, maybe? Oh, my hands are so slippery. Why are they so slippery? Okay, if I had somebody to help me out putting this on, I would probably make it a little tighter than I have it, but it is very dainty and delicate. I do kind of like it. I just feel like there's so much like yellow tone in my skin. I mean, like, as you guys know, I don't know how many comments I've gotten about like my orange palms. It's very cute though. I like it. Now to get this thing off me. Can I just like suck in hands? Yes. All right, so that was everything in the box. I don't know if this box comes with any type of price list or anything. I will thumb through really quickly all of these papers to see if there is a price list so I can get you guys an overall value for it. Oh no, I'll never be able to pull that back. It doesn't give you a price list, but it does tell you about the items in here, and it also tells you the other things that you could choose from. I do believe if you are an annual member, you get to choose like a lot of your products or a good portion of your products. And then if you're a seasonal subscriber, you might be able to make some choices too, but I know if you're an annual subscriber, you get some more choices. So there are no prices in there, but I thought this was a pretty decent box. This might not be my favorite that I've ever received from CosBox or now Alltrue. I definitely think my favorite item that I received were these 5 bowls here. I think that's pretty awesome. I mean, 5 bowls at the store that are recycled and look pretty like this would definitely probably cost you a pretty penny. But overall, I definitely think I got my value's worth from this box. I just feel like maybe it wasn't my absolute favorite I've ever received from them. But typically with subscription boxes like this that are a little less like makeup heavy and more kind of lifestyle centric, I always prefer, like, this is gonna be a total shock and surprise to you guys, I always prefer like the fall and winter boxes because I like the more cozy, warm stuff, and everything's like pumpkin spice scented because of basic, just so basic. But I love fall and winter so much. So the summer stuff is fun, but for me, I just prefer like those more cozy boxes. However, I do think this was nice with like the travel stuff and the bowls. So I thought it was an okay box overall. Not my favorite, but yeah, let me know what you guys thought. I would love to hear all of your thoughts and opinions down below in the comments. Very sorry this isn't a Stitch Fix unboxing and try on. I thought that would be something a little bit different for the channel, but let me know if you would like me to like try again, maybe? Like see if I can actually record the footage and like keep it for next time. If you would like to see me do a Stitch Fix unboxing, let me know down below in the comments. But yeah, that is all I have for you guys today. Thank you so very much for watching. Please go ahead and consider subscribing if you would not mind. It would mean the absolute world to me. I just hope you guys have a lovely, wonderful, fantastic day, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!